Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, come and join me. Let's make stuffed coin purse. This coin purse, this is my favorite coin purse, and I made it 13 years ago. So what I did was I removed all the stuff inside, small beads. So I removed it and I put this cloth inside because it's rough, so I don't like it, and so that the money will not spread anywhere and spread in at the legs or somewhere else. So I put this cloth inside. I also put the zipper, this one here. So that's it, very simple. And this one I'm going to make now is a dinosaur. This is for kids, this is not for my for myself. So I'm gonna slice it at the tummy, and I'm going to remove all the stuff inside. I will attach the zipper also later on. So guys, let's get started. Anyways, I have here scissor, a thread, and a needle, and a pen, because I'm going to draw this cloth for stuffing inside. Okay, so now guys, let's get started. I will set aside this one first. So the reason why I have this one is like I'm going to slice this one, the tummy here. Oh my god, I feel like dinosaur will be in pain. Sorry dinosaur, I will slice your tummy. Sorry. Okay, it's already sliced. So now guys, I'll remove this small beads inside slowly. See, so I'm going to remove it, all of it. So it has like cotton, I think it's cotton. So guys, there's nothing inside already, but I have to put the small beads in this feet here and the tail, so that this stuff will still be stiff, not like so soft. Okay, I will only the leg and the tail, the tummy, nothing inside. Okay, so I will secure this one here by sewing it. This one only the feet. Okay guys, so guys, there's nothing in here already. I'm already done. I leave the beads in here and the tail also, but the tummy, nothing. Okay, the stuff is already here, the small beads like this. See, it looks like rice. Okay, I'm going to put the cloth inside with this one. Okay, I already draw this thing here. So it is guys, already done cutting it. So I'm going to sew this one around here, and I'm going to stuff it inside here, this. Okay,